What's happening? Poke Dog got you. Back with another video, you understand me? Yeah, on my way to another car meet. I told y'all I'm at it. Told y'all when I find them, I'm going. I'm gonna get y'all this good footage. But hopefully there's some nice cars out there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification, comment, you know what I'm saying? Browse, do all that. We're blowing up this year, this our year. Yeah, and I'm gonna turn the camera on as soon as I get there, you know what I'm saying? Because I gotta use my phone GPS. Yeah, what's happening, man? I'm at the car meet. Yeah, they lit out here, man. God damn. Yeah, y'all want some smoke? Yeah, he let that smoke loose. Yeah. Yeah, he let that smoke loose, man. But there ain't really nothing out here, but I just had to get a little something.
Bitch, I'm on easy beats on the track, ho. I can't wait for hope. I move like a ghost. Bitch, I'm on go. I cannot stop. I'm running 2 stop signs. He keep a 40, he keep a stick, and I keep a Glock 9. I fuck that little bitch, I gave her some dick. Now she bang my line. I'ma give you a hint. No, I don't cup, cause I don't waste time. She sent me a pic of that little pussy. I said let's FaceTime. I tell the truth, why would I lie? God know I hate lying. I know some niggas who selling that white, not doing fair time. They doing life like Eddie and Martin. They cross the gun line. My bitches be red with some good head. That was a punchline. Ain't taking no meds, perky instead. Let's have some fun time.
Yeah, man, it started raining on us. So it look like this is gonna be the end of this video. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all a couple of them while I'm in the car. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all something. Hold on, look at this one. Yeah. Yeah, don't look like the rain gonna let up, so I don't know, we're gonna see what it do. Police came, so we had to leave the first location. We was pulling up to the next one and it started raining on us, so I don't know what we're gonna do. But I did get a couple of their numbers. So the next car meet, they're gonna let me know something and I'm there. So till the next time, man, y'all be safe. Poke Dog got you. Uh-huh.